Long way to walk, and walk alone. Many wars to fight, and fight alone. Many decisions to make, and decide alone too. Scattered things to sort, by humbleness' tricks and last resort. Present to retain, and future to maintain. They all encompass the weakness, which keeps saying, give up. Hearts that are broken, love that forsaken, man love mistaken more than one times, and fake friends cannot tell inspirational quotes to the timeless soul. They, by just as all loudly speak repeatedly an holy statement, which is, give up. By listening and seeing discouragement, I forget enjoyment and wish that I would lay down and never wake up. I would crush pen and its ink. Simply, I almost fall down. When I am about to fall, I keep listening and recall that I am the wind, I am water, I am the rain, and I'm for flourishing and cleaning. My Bible, I am a flower, but a blooming one. I am the voice. I am the one who will tell the other terror to the future storyteller. So, I have no reason to give up. Oh, my hoary son, the earth is full of horror, but keep your holiness. Oh, my pretty girl, the earth is full of peaks, but keep jumping. This is what I used to tell my offsprings. Then, how can I fall? When I am about to fall, I keep listening and recall that I have no reason to listen to my distractor. Then I hold on forever.